Today I am going to start with the new chapter, chapter 4 of chemistry, that is chemical kinetics. First of all, discuss what is chemical kinetics. So chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which study with the speed or rate of reaction, factor affecting reaction and mechanism of the reaction by which the reaction is proceed. Chemical kinetics physical chemistry की वो ब्रांच है जिसमें अपन रिएक्शन की स्पीड के बारे में, रिएक्शन की रेट के बारे में, कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स जो रिएक्शन की रेट को अफेक्ट करते, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रिएक्शन, इन सारे टॉपिक्स की स्टडी करेंगे. दिस ऑल आर इंक्लूड इन द टर्म विच इज रेफर एज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. Now come to the second topic, that is classification of reaction on the basis of speed. Speed के basis पे reaction का classification. First of all, the reaction may be classified into three types on the basis of speed. First one is very fast reaction, second is very slow reaction and third one is moderate reaction. Very fast reaction are those reactions which take place instantaneously, or we can say that such reactions take place in 10 की power minus 14 to 10 की power minus 16 second. For example, in the 10th class you have studied about double displacement reaction. In that reaction, BaCl2 plus H2SO4. So what happened? This ion is interchanged from both the sides, that is BaSO4 is formed along with HCl. And in that reaction, the white precipitate of barium sulfate is settled down. So, and it take very small time to complete. So, it may be the example of very fast reaction. Second one is very slow reaction. The reaction which take place slowly, or we can say that which take place in a month or year for completion, is called very slow reaction. Example, rusting of iron. Rusting of iron, that is corrosion we can also say, but it is the example of very slow reaction. When iron article is kept in contact with moisture, humidity, air, then it may rust. Or the rusting formula or rust of iron may be represented as Fe2O3 dot XH2O. Here X may represent the number of water molecule. Now third one is moderate reaction. Moderate reaction क्या होता है? तो moderate is one which is in between these two reaction, that is neither very fast or nor very slow. Okay, which occur at measurable rate. Example, hydrolysis of ester. अब एस्टर क्या होता है मैंने ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में ऑलरेडी बता दिया था. RCOO जो ग्रुप होता है उसको एस्टर बोलते हैं. अब R और R दो R है आपके पास, तो इट मे बी सेम और इट मे बी डिफरेंट. इन दैट केस मैंने आपको यहाँ पे R को डिफरेंट ग्रुप कंसीडर करा है, दैट इज़ वन is CH3 and another is C2H5. So name क्या होगा इस एस्टर का? इथाइल एसीटेट. On hydrolysis of ethyl acetate in presence of acidic medium we get acid along with alcohol. क्या मिलेगा? एसिड के साथ एल्कोहल. तो हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ एस्टर का प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? एसिड अलॉन्ग विथ एल्कोहल. वन मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ मॉडरेट रिएक्शन इज हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सुक्रोज. सुक्रोज का हाइड्रोलिसिस, सुक्रोज का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? C12H22O11. यदि उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा इट मीन्स किसकी रिएक्शन होगी? वाटर की. द सेम रिएक्शन इज ऑल्सो टेक प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिडिक मीडियम. ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सुक्रोज वी गेट ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज. The molecular formula of glucose and fructose is same, that is C6H12O6, but the structure formula is different, that is in case of glucose we are having aldehydic group, but in case of fructose having ketonic group. So molecular formula of both is same, but structure formula of glucose and fructose is different. So these are the classification of reaction on the basis of speed.